Hey builders, welcome to part 2 of how to build a startup app in under 20 minutes. In this part, I'm going to show you how to customize the Shipfast template so that you can customize it to have the value proposition specific to your app. All right, let's go. So we have, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to update the config in the Shipfast template. So if you go to the config.js file, you'll see the app name, and now we can actually go to ChatGPT where we generated the app name, so Finwiz. And also in ChatGPT where we've generated more copy, we can extract a description as well. So let's do that. And finally, on this config page, you might want to update the support emails. So down here, instead of it going to the owner of Shipfast, you probably want to update it to go to your own email to support customers. So once you've done that, after updating the config, what we're going to do, for this tutorial, we're not going to do the features or pricing. So I've commented, or the FAQ, so I've commented them out here, but I can do another follow-up video where I can show you how to connect Stripe, and so that you can actually have subscriptions for your customers, one-off subscriptions, recurring subscriptions, and also login and authentication using Supabase. Once the page is updated, after that we also want to update the header so that we're not linking to the pricing testimonials or FAQ there. And then we want to update the copy and the call to action. So right now it has basically has Shipfast's call to action, if we update that, and we're going to want to update it to say to have our copy. So we go to ChatGPT, we use a call to action it generated for us. There we go. And that's done. Cool. So down here now, take control of your finance. This is today with Finwiz, your personal AI-powered financial advisor. Next up, instead of saying ship your startups in days, not weeks, we're going to update that to be our copy. So that's in the hero component. And then what we can do is we can take the description and modify it a little. Okay. Cool. So now you say that's actually customized for Finwiz. And we're going to update this image on the right here, on the landing page image. So to do that, I generated a piggy bank, an AI piggy bank image with ChatGPT here. And what we're going to do, we're going to copy that from our downloads folder into the public folder and remove the unsplash one they have here. And because it's in the public folder, you just need a / landing image.png. Cool. Nice, and we probably want rounded corners as well. So there we go. Awesome, starting to look a bit better. Now this icon as well. Again, download the icon image from ChatGPT. This one that we generated. And finally, you probably want to change the favicon as well, so this little icon up in the browser as well changes as well. So we're going to resize the icon. Cool, that should update it a bit. Cool, so okay, so we've got the images done, got the copy there. Aha, the copy and the problem, we'll have to change that as well. So let's open the problem. And again, we got ChatGPT to generate that problem with a stat attached to it. Let's do that. Split that up into 2. And let's update these emojis to be a bit more relevant. Let's put some flying money in there. And these ones can stay the same. Cool. All right. Nice. So next up, I'm going to show you how to connect the buttons up so that they make an API call to the AI model, generate a cool bit of AI for your users, and then encourages the user to sign up to a mailing list so that you can then reach out to them and eventually have a paid AI app too.